Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix blurry story on Facebook. So guys, if you are Facebook user and when you have upload your story or want to see your friend's story and facing the issue that story is blurry, so guys, how can you fix this problem? Easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to go back, and guys, after going to back, the main reason of this problem is weak internet connection. So guys, simply you have to check your internet connection first. So guys, if you are using Wi-Fi, you need to turn on your mobile data, and guys, if you are using mobile data, you need to connect with Wi-Fi of your device. And guys, after doing this, you have to go back. And guys, at secondly, you have to open your app store and guys check for update. So guys, simply you have to search Facebook, and guys, after this you have to open your Facebook, and guys, you need to update your app if not updated. As you can see here, my app is not updated. And guys, after doing this, you have to go back. And guys, after this, you need to open your settings again, scroll it below, click on general. And guys, you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any kind of VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. And guys, after doing this, you have to go back. So guys, simply you have to click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys, you need to reset your network settings. Maybe there is a network problem. And guys, at last, if still not fix your problem after doing all the methods, you have to open your iPhone storage here, and guys, you need to open your Facebook. So guys, after opening your Facebook, simply you need to offload your Facebook app. And guys, after this, you need to reinstall again and log in again your Facebook. And guys, after this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.